I love having leftover pizza dough because there are so many different ways to use it. The sky's the limit. My name is Dan Richer and I'm here at Ooni HQ to give you a few ideas on how to use some leftover pizza dough. I always recommend making a big batch, more dough than pizzas that you're gonna make. So if you have a family of 4, 8 pizza dough balls as your base recipe. So let's start by taking some dough balls out. You know, I grew up in New Jersey and it's very common to have a bagel in the morning. And at all the bagel stores that I grew up going to, they always had a Bialys also. So I start by taking a pizza dough and cutting it in half, and then in half again to make 4 little pieces. It's round like a bagel, but it doesn't have a hole through it, and there's usually onions in it. So I start by taking these pieces of dough, well floured, and just pushing those corners in to make it a little bit more round. And then I make a little well in here, just the way you would a pizza. And then I fill that with some caramelized onions that we have here. I'm just gonna put some onions in the middle of these, and then I'm going to let this proof for about 10 minutes before I bake it. So I'm just gonna put it on a well-floured peel. It's just gonna rest here for just a few minutes. I'm letting it proof because I like a nice open crumb on most things that I do, and because we've manipulated that dough so much, we want to give it just a little bit of time to relax. Let's cover our Bialys. Bialy time! Are we ready to launch these into the oven? Oh, look, they're sticking. Now they're not. Always check before you get to the oven. You're ready. And our Bialys are done. Cute little guys. Certainly baked darker than your typical Bialy, and the dough is definitely a higher hydration than a classic Bialy, but it's the same thing. I'd let them cool for just a few minutes and then go to town.